Well, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Ford F-150 in an FX4 trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a bug deflector up on the hood, some nice pocket-style fender flares, a very noticeable lift, if you can see that, sitting on some XD series rims. Do also have vent shades on the windows, running boards down below, and a hardtop tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. And you've got this pretty cool looking FX4 off-road decal on the back, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, which is ridiculously spacious with seating for 3 that can be lifted completely up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here. And you do have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And in the center you have 2 cup holders, a 110 volt and a 12 volt power outlet. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 119,272 kilometers. And moving now to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise control buttons, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through things such as your transmission temperature, compass, blank screen, your trip A and B stats, your fuel economy, truck apps such as your off-road status and trailer status, and settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general, and then information such as warnings, that warning being low fuel level, which is pretty standard. But moving on to the center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and I believe also Bluetooth, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with reverse sensors that will beep to alert you as well. And you have your dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort if you so want. And then above your screen you have your hill descent assist and traction control shut off. To the left of your screen you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and a trailer brake underneath. And on the right you have a 12 volt with a cubby beneath it. Then down here you have your audio and climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use, with a cubby beneath it for your stuff. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and I believe your tow haul mode button there at the bottom. And you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest here, which does have a removable tray, and inside you have things such as your auxiliary, USB, and another 12 volts, so you can plug something into power or charge from there, and still have plenty of space for all of your stuff, of course. And then last but not least, you do also have a power sliding rear window, so that's pretty neat. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.